Greetings to all the learners. I am Siddharth Bula, Faculty of Mathematics. Welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur. Today in this podcast, we will be learning about the complex numbers. Till now, we have always heard about the real numbers, but a complex number is the combination of real number as well as the imaginary number. So we can say a complex number consists of a real part and an imaginary part. A complex number is denoted by Z, which is equal to A plus iota B. This is the standard format of writing a complex number. Here, I stand for iota. As I said, the complex number has two parts, real part and the imaginary part. So the part which has iota in it is always known as the imaginary part of the complex number. The value of iota is always equal to square root of -1. And we know that square root of negative is not possible, so that's why it is called an imaginary number. So Z is equal to A plus iota B is the standard format of writing a complex number where A is the real part and B is the imaginary part consisting iota in it. Now there are some rules for the imaginary unit iota. The iota is equal to square root of -1. If we square both the sides, we will be getting iota square equal to -1. If we do the power 3 times of the both sides, the iota cube will be equal to minus iota. And if we do the 4 powers to the both sides, iota 4 will be equal to +1. Now let's understand the range of the numbers in mathematics. The complex number consists all the numbers from the mathematics, including the imaginary numbers. That means the real numbers and the imaginary numbers. Whereas the real numbers consists of rational number, integers, whole number and also irrational numbers. The rational number consists of integers and whole numbers only, and integers consists of whole numbers, and further whole number consists of natural numbers. So this is a brief of number systems in mathematics where all the numbers are covered through this diagram. Now let's understand the conjugate of a complex number. The complex conjugate is when each of two complex numbers having their real parts identical and their imaginary parts of equal magnitude but opposite sign. That means if the imaginary part is of positive in one complex number, the other complex number will be having negative imaginary part. For example, if we take a complex number A plus iota B, its conjugate will be A minus iota B. We can see that the real part is still identical in both the complex number, only the sign of the imaginary part is changed. And similarly, if we have a complex number A minus iota B, its conjugate will be A plus iota B. Now let's discuss the equal complex numbers. If two complex numbers are equal, in that case, their real part are equal and their imaginary parts are also equal. If we take an example, A1 plus iota B1 is equal to A2 plus iota B2. In that case, their real part A1 and A2 must be equal, and as well as their imaginary part B1 must be equal to B2. So this is all about the complex number, imaginary unit, conjugate of a complex number, and the equality of two complex numbers in this podcast. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting us. Thank you.